So Google just released a new tool that can completely change marketing. It generates branded content for you, matching your fonts, colors, and overall vibe automatically. This tool is called Pomelli. And the best part is that it's absolutely free. So let me show you guys how you can use this tool. So all you have to do is go to labs.google.com and find Pomelli, and you'll get to this page right here. Welcome to Pomelli. Easily generate on-brand social media campaigns. So it actually automatically will create campaigns for you. This is absolutely insane and a game changer. You can generate business DNA, then it gets campaign ideas, and it generates the creatives for you. And all you gotta do is enter your website so that it can fully analyze your brand style. I'm just gonna enter Ryze Superfoods as an example so that we can see what we can get from analyzing that website. So as you can see right here, it's generating your business DNA, it's researching your website, looking through everything, and it's gonna do a deep analysis to grab all the brand colors, the fonts, and everything it needs to create creatives for your campaigns. So I'm gonna let this run, and then I'll show you guys what it comes up with. Alright, so the scan finished running, and you can see all the things it pulled right here. So we got the font, we got the colors, we got the tagline, the brand values, the brand aesthetic, the brand tone of voice, and even a little business overview right here, as well as all the images it could find from the site. So all you do next is you click looks good, and then we get to the home where we can actually prompt it to create us campaigns. As you can see also here, we have some suggestions based on the content and business DNA that I grabbed from the website. So check this out. Look at that. We didn't even do any prompting, and look at the amazing creatives it can actually create just from doing the business DNA. Mushroom power, coffee taste. It grabbed some images, it kept the brand style, it kept the font, and everything looks so professional. You can literally just grab this and start running ads with it. Here's another one right here it created. The coffee upgrade, trade the jitters for sustained clarity, your morning ritual reimagined for wellness. And it even created an amazing design for us. And look at this beautiful ad it created. As you can see, this is the image it took. You can even edit the header, you can edit the description, and you can create a call to action. So let's just try that. Let's generate a call to action and see what happens. And as you can see, with just the click of a button, we have the call to action added to the creative. Let's say we want to fix the layout. We click fix layout. And as you can see, we can actually look through all the different versions. So let's see what happens if we click on fix the layout. So as you can see, it created more of a spacing in between the text and looks a little bit cleaner. Honestly, my favorite is the first one it created here, perfect spacing, and just looks really good. It also automatically created a testimonial ad. This is amazing. Look at this ad. It kept the color, the style, and even added a testimonial for us. Look how useful this can be. Think about it. You have, with a click of a button for free, you're able to get all these creatives so that you can just spam test as many creatives as you'd like to see what hits and what doesn't. It also creates different marketing angles for you. So as you can see right here, we have even more. The 10 a.m. jitters are gone with a beautiful background image of someone using the mushroom coffee, as well as another beautiful ad right here. As you can see, it keeps such a beautiful style. These are perfect ads you can just download right away and start running them. So another feature you can do is you can suggest ideas and create a campaign just from writing a prompt. So let's see what happens if we click on suggest ideas. So let's see what it came up with. Heal your body and mind for the holidays, no sugar, no compromise, and your new shared ritual. So I actually like how it knows the holidays are coming up. So let's pick this one and let's see what it's gonna create. And as you can see, just like that, we have 4 creatives we can just take and start running right now. So let's take a look at this one. Heal your body and mind, get free gifts and early access to our biggest Black Friday deals. So it actually knows that Black Friday is coming up, and can take deals from your site and add them into the campaigns. This is really cool. I haven't seen any other tools be able to do this yet. Also, guys, this is in experimental phase. So this is a beta, and this is just the start. This is the worst version it's ever gonna be. So think about how good it can be in the future, guys. Like, this is the craziest tool I've ever seen to this day. Just imagine the endless possibilities you can do with this. You can keep clicking fix layout to get different variations. You can add CTAs, remove the description, and it's really, really versatile for such a simple tool. As you can see, just like that, we got 3 different variations of the same ad. So you can keep doing that just to get different variations. So let's take a look at this one. Beautiful ad right here. You can just download it and start running ads to it. Let's take a look at this one right here as well. Optimize your routine. Convenient, high efficiency wellness to maintain peak performance during busy days. So it actually creates marketing angles for you based on the content that it takes from your website. So that's pretty cool. Let's try with another kind of business. All right, so now I'm going to try it for a agency, which is not a B2C product, but a B2B, and see how it handles that. So I just found a random URL for a creative agency, and let's grab the business DNA of that and see what kind of campaigns we could automatically create. What's really cool about this as well is that you can just scrape a bunch of websites that are your leads and then just automatically with one click of a button create campaigns for them. You can use these campaigns to try and close them as clients, maybe send them to them for free, show them a little free value to maybe book a call. So this is such a useful tool. And you know, normally you would have to do a bunch of research on their website to find, you know, their whole brand portfolio, all the assets and everything. Go into Canva and one by one edit each image to create your own campaigns. Now you click one button and it creates beautiful images that you can use right away. All right, so the business DNA has finished for Design Pickle. Let's take a quick look. We got all the colors, a bit of a brand overview, the aesthetics. Looks good to me. Now let's take a look at the images here. Wow, we got plenty of images here. So let's just click looks good and see what we could create with that. And wow, look at that. Q4 design rush handled. This is amazing angling, amazing ads right here. I've seen professional marketers not even be able to come up with creatives like this. So to be able to just click one button and get all these, wow, look at this. Q4 design rush handled. The holiday season is here. Can your team keep up with the design demands? Straight to the point, looks clean, looks good. Let's take a look at this one right here. Wow, and then look at this one right here. Even added an amazing image. Problem, creative bottlenecks. Your internal team is stretched thin across multiple campaigns and last minute requests. So it's kind of just pushing the problem. Let's see what happens if we click fix layout. All right, and is there even a difference here? Yeah, so as you can see, it formatted the text a little bit cleaner, as you can see right there. So you can try a bunch of different variations. And then here we have another angle, another kind of creative solution. Scale instantly. Don't let the holiday season crush your creative capacity. Add dedicated experts fast. Wow, crazy, guys. And then this one looks good as well. It's not always going to be perfect. I think this was supposed to be a CTA or something. So we can click fix layout, see if that fixes it. But even though it's not always perfect, it's free to use and you can create unlimited variations, unlimited campaigns, and then you just pick and choose the ones that are good. So we still have the bar there, but it still looks really good for what it is. Let's take a look at another campaign right here. Wow, look at that. I like all of these. It even added a pickle in there. Look at that. Slow designs, costly, waiting on revision delays, launches, wastes budget, and exhausts your team, and then creates this really cool image right here. So this is super cool, guys. It has so much value. You can use this for your own brand. your own business, or you can even use this to sell to agencies or as a service for local businesses. This is really cool, and you can set this up with different kind of automations to even use as a value proposition where you're able to just quickly create quick campaigns and show them to your clients, show examples. Imagine you're in a call talking to them and you already have these creatives campaigns ready to show them while you're in the call. Imagine how mind blown they're gonna be. So this tool is incredibly powerful. I hope you guys check it out. It's still in the experimental phase, so make sure you play around with it, test it out a bit, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this website slash software. It's only gonna get better from here. One click to create a full campaign. This is absolutely insane. We are living in the future. Either way, guys, hope you guys enjoyed my little breakdown and review of this new Google tool. Make sure to take advantage of it while you can. Also, I create AI automations for businesses, full AI solutions. So if you're a business that needs an AI solution or just a consultation, make sure to go in the description and book a call with me so that we can look over everything together. As well as I have a school in the description for AI related things, as well as drop shipping. So if you do want to learn a bit more of any of those, it's a free school community. First link in the description. But other than that, I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe. It really does help me a lot and it puts a smile on my face. Also, leave a comment just to show that you watched the entire video. That's also really cool and shows you have a long enough attention span. Either way, guys, see you all in the next one. Peace!